If you have an adventurous dog, you definitely need to get one of these first aid kits that I was lucky enough to be gifted by the brand. So thanks so much to the brand for gifting this to me. This is just the best little thing. First of all, look at it, how cute it is. Love the little paws. There's different designs on that you can get it with dogs on it. There's a cat one as well, but this one has just the little paws. And it basically keeps everything. So dogs get little cuts, scrapes, broken toenails, things like that from time to time. Or maybe this is great just to keep in your car. So this has just a little bit of everything in here. It even has dog bags, which every once in a while we're going to find ourselves without some dog bags. It's got little saline solution to clean out wounds. And it's all just so neatly packed away in this cute little kit. Here's an emergency leash in case you find yourself somewhere and you've forgotten a leash and you need to get out of the car. Little paw cream. A reflective bandana in case you're out and it's dark and you want to make sure that your dog is seen by cars. Some the self-adhesive bandage if you've got a wound there that you need to, and this isn't going to replace, you may still need to get to the vet, but this will, you're not always super close. Sometimes you can't get to a vet right away, so this will help. And then it's got some little disposable pet booties, so if they hurt their feet or have a cut on their feet, you can keep it protected from when they're walking around and it won't get infected. Then you've got your gauze pads, you've got sting relief pads, your cleansing wipes, butterfly closure wipes. You have a little first aid kit guide in here. There's Band-Aids. There is, let's see, there's an emergency blanket in here too. And then you have a collapsible water dish, which is a great bonus as well. You've got your nitrile gloves here. And what else is in here? Let's just see in this little, you've got a syringe for water to get them. This is a little compressed towel. You just add water and this will, so if you happen to need something like that. And then it's got all your little, it's got some scissors in here. It has tweezers. It basically has everything you are going to need. So if you like to, hike and go for walks and things like that with your dog, this is just the perfect little kit. And then once with everything in here, it just zips up. So it fits away nicely. It can fit in your glove box, anywhere in your car. It's got a little handle on it. It also has a little loop here. So if you wanted to attach it to a bag or something, if you were going camping and on a long hike for a few days, great thing to have. Super happy to have this. I will keep this in my car. Highly recommend it. And just on a side note, they also have first aid kits for humans too. So check it out. Love it. Thanks.